In this video, I will show you how to top up Youtrip card. So simply open the Youtrip website and here you can see the sign up option. So first of all, you have to create your account. So in order to create your account, you must have Singapore number because Youtrip allow only Singapore people to sign up here. So if you have a Singapore mobile numbers, you can sign up here. So after that, when you sign up and create your account, so here are the steps you need to follow for top up. So simply first of all, open your application and here you can see the top up option. So simply select the top up. Now go down and here you have to add your card information. So simply add it here. Like here you have to add all the details, card number, your expiry, CVC, and after that click on save. So in the next step, here you can see you have to complete your verification. So after that, when you complete your verification here, simply click on OK. So here you can see in this case you will easily top up your Youtrip card.